I'm going to build a barn door. I need a barn door between our bathroom and our bedroom. So I'm going to take you through the process. So I purchased a 4x8 piece of plywood, a higher grade plywood from the lumber yard. And I've cut it down so that it's 40 inches wide, and then we've got 85 inches long. So this is the finished product here. I've got it cut, ready to go. Now I'm going to trim it with 1x6s. First piece I've measured at 85 inches, and I'm going to make my cut on a 10 foot piece of 1x6. Lay this out on our soon-to-be barn door. Make sure you line up. Everything lines up good. I'm using Gorilla wood glue, and we're going to glue down our first piece here. And I like to make the pattern in a serpentine pattern. Get it about an inch away from the end because you don't want glue coming out the end. And be pretty good liberal with the glue so that it covers a good amount of the board. We want it to stay solid. Now we're also going to brad nail this too. Now we've got the glue on, so we're going to put our piece on. Again, make sure it's even at both ends. So I'm going to use some Irwin quick grip clamps so that we can clamp that wood down with the glue already on it. And they're real easy. You just push this lever here, pull this out to whatever length you need, then put it on your wood. I usually like the bottom part with the handle down, and it's got a grip, quick grip, and then when you squeeze it, it pulls those pieces together. Next piece here, and do the same thing, get it about an inch from the end. Make them nice serpentine. All right, so we have our glue on, so now we're going to place that board again like we did the other side. And we're going to clamp this side like we did the other side using the Irwin quick grip clamps. So you can see a little bit better how I'm putting it on the piece here. Put it down towards the end as far as you can in. Squeeze the handle of the grip. Make sure everything lines up, and what we do is use our Airstrike Ryobi nail brad nailer, and we're going to make sure we nail this down so it's secure and tight. Now for our long pieces, we used 10 foot 1x6 boards. So with your extra that you've cut off, your 85 inches, we're going to use this to cut our end pieces. I measured my piece, and I have 28 inches and 15/16, so just under 29 inches. Since we're going to stain this, you want to sand off any rough edges or burrs that you have on the piece. And so we put the piece in here, and voila. Perfect. So I cut one piece to go in the middle to give it a little more decoration. So we've just glued it. We're going to put it down, and now I'm going to brad nail it, and the door will be just pretty much finished. We're painting the side that we don't have trimmed in trim white. So all the other trim in the bathroom is white, so we're going to keep it all that same color. We're just about finished. I'm putting on the slate stain. It's a general finish. It's an oil-based wood stain, and anyway, it leaves a nice finish. We've used this for our countertop in the bathroom and for the wood beams that are on the top. Just liberally apply your stain, brushing it with the grain. If you see any areas that you missed, go back and dab those. So this is the finish we're getting with it. Kind of an antique looking stain.